Hey, this is Navid from Oud for Guitarists, and today I have a Taqasim quick win for you today. When you're playing a Taqasim, sometimes it's necessary to stop on certain notes and make drone sounds that emphasize the melody you just invented. Let's do something in Maqam Rast here. So Maqam Rast, we have the notes G, A, B half flat, and C. C is the home bass, the tonic. Then you've got D, then you've got E half flat, you've got F, you got G, and all the way up to C. A, B half flat, and C. So let's try it. All you need to do is a pattern of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, down, up, down, up. And you can create a melody around it. Watch this one. All I did there was play down, down, up, down, going from G to C. And then I paused on G, and I did this droning effect, creating a pulse, a rhythm. Then I created more melody around that. Now when you pause on that C, you hang out there, sometimes you want to support it with a bass note, and it creates a different pulse in the rhythm. So I'm going along doing 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, down, up, down, up, down, up. When I throw in the bass note, you play down, down, up, and it creates this kind of a 7 pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. So you can kind of create that little syncopation in there in your rhythm that you're playing. Watch this. Same melody as before. So that syncopation is really nice to add, and it's a great little technique that a lot of oud players use in their Taqasim. So give this melody a try, this little introductory melody in Maqam Rast. Now you can do something else. Let's say you want to pause on a different note, create a different melody. Pausing on D. Support it with G underneath. And then go back to C to support Maqam Rast. So these are a couple melodies that you can play around with to create a little melody and drone effect in Maqam Rast when you're starting out a Taqasim. Next week, I'll be sending some emails about Taqasim that will definitely help you understand how I learned how to play Taqasim and how I overcame some challenges that you might be going through too. So sign up for the newsletter at the link in the description so you can hear more about that.